Hi, I love getting my work done inside of Microsoft Teams. My name is Kev Rodrigo, and I'm part of the Modern Work Customer Success team here at Microsoft. We hope that you've enjoyed some of the favorite apps brought to you by our team members as part of our Easter app hunt. In case you've missed any of them, the links can be found below in this posting. The 5 favorite apps that were shared included Daniel, who loves the Q&A app. He leverages Polly, especially inside of meetings, to quickly gauge sentiment. Polly is also my favorite app. Sarah's favorite app is the Approvals app, because for her, getting approvals done quickly and effectively is important as part of her job. Sunny has done the hunt herself, and she is a big fan of Q&A. Right within Microsoft Teams, she can quickly get answers to simple questions right there at her fingertips. Next is Jo. Jo actually loves being connected to her community. And for Jo, having the Yammer community app as part of Microsoft Teams keeps her connected right across in a very inclusive manner. And finally, Erica loves the Bulletin app. It centralizes all of her company communications in the one place. Now, if you haven't tried any of these apps, please do so and let us know which is your favorite Microsoft Teams app.